Exploring the phrase, beefsteak. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into a delicious topic, beefsteak. By the end of this video, you'll understand what it means and how to use it. So, let's begin. Beef refers to the meat that comes from cows. It's a type of red meat and is consumed in many countries around the world. Steak, on the other hand, typically refers to a slice of meat that's been cut perpendicular to the muscle fibers. It's often grilled or fried and served as a main course in many meals. When you combine the two words, beefsteak, you're referring to a particular slice of meat from a cow that's prepared to be cooked. This doesn't necessarily specify how it's cooked. It could be grilled, fried, broiled, or any other method. It simply designates that the piece of meat is fit for those kinds of preparations. There are numerous cuts of beefsteak, each with its unique taste and texture. Some of the popular ones include ribeye steak. This is a juicy cut from the rib section. Sirloin steak. This comes from the back of the cow, behind the ribs. It's leaner than the ribeye but still very flavorful. T-bone steak. This is a combination of two steaks in one, with a T-shaped bone in the middle. On one side, you have a piece of tenderloin, and on the other, a piece of sirloin. While beefsteak often refers to the dish or the specific cut of meat, the word steak alone can sometimes stand in for it in casual conversation. For example, I'm craving a steak tonight. Let's go to that new steakhouse downtown. Both sentences suggest that the subject is referring to beefsteak, even if beef isn't explicitly mentioned. And there you have it. Now you know what the phrase beefsteak means. Whether you're ordering it at a restaurant or cooking one at home, you're now equipped with the knowledge to discuss and enjoy it. Happy learning and bon appétit!